Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your science teacher, Miss Saima Noreen, class 8, subject science. Today I am going to start chapter number 7, idea of force. What is force? A force is anything that changes the position of an object and causes motion. A force is a push or a pull or both. A force cannot be seen, but we can feel and observe the effects of the force. What is push? A force to move an object away from our bodies. For example, playing a guitar. What is pull? A pull is when we apply a force to move an object towards our body. For example, scrubbing the floor. What causes an object to move? All motion is due to forces acting on objects. Again, what is a force? A push or a pull. Here some examples. In picture number 1, what makes the ball move? The man pushes the ball with his racket. Picture number 2, what makes the car move? The man pushes the car. Picture number 3, the make the wagon moves. The child pulls the wagon. In the above picture, the objects are being moved by a push or a pull. A push or a pull acting an object is called a force. How is force calculated? Force is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration. F is equal to ma. F for force, m for mass, a for acceleration. Force measured in newtons, mass measured in kilograms, acceleration measured in meter per second square. The SI unit for force is the Newton. The symbol for Newton is N. 1 Newton is equal to about the force U exerts to lift a limb. Resultant force. It is the net force. It is zero when the object is stationary. The object moves at a distant speed. It is not zero when the object accelerates or decelerates. Types of forces. There are two main types of forces, contact forces and non-contact forces. Contact forces. The force between objects in direct touch with each other is a contact force. Example, muscular force, friction force. Non-contact force. The force between objects not in touch with each other is a non-contact force. Example, magnetic force, electrostatic force, gravity. Types of contact forces. Muscular force. The force produced by the action of muscles is a muscular force. For example, animals like horses, bulls, donkey, camels, elephants are used for transportation and to carry load from one place to another place. Frictional force. The opposing force between two moving surfaces in contact is a frictional force. For example, a ball rolling on a floor slows down and finally comes to rest. A book pushed on a table moves as long as we keep pushing it. Types of non-contact forces. Magnetic force. Magnetic force is the force exerted by magnets on each other and metallic substances. Electrical force or electrostatic force. The force between two charged bodies is an electrostatic force. There are two types of charge, positive charge and negative charge. Gravitational force. An attractive force between any two objects that depends upon the mass of interacting object is called a gravitational force. Effects of a force. Changes the shape temporarily, changes the shape permanently, changes the direction of a moving object, stops a moving object or makes a stationary object move, change the speed of a moving object. What can a force do? A force can make an object move. A force can make a moving object stop. A force can change the direction of a moving object. A force can change the shape of an object. Spring balance. This instrument uses Robert Hooke's discovery. The scale on the balance is calibrated in Newton, so it is sometimes called a Newton spring balance or a Newton meter. The scale of a spring balance moves when someone pulls it from one end. Spring balance is used to measure the applied force. Since weight is a force, we can use a spring balance to measure our weight. Thank you.